Hello people, how's it going on? So we were damn bored at home, so we decided to take a small road trip to Chitradurga. We bought our tickets from scanning the QR code because the fort had the visitors from all over the world and currency notes might carry viruses along with them. When we entered the fort, we saw a beautiful geometrically structured pond. It was very nice. This fort is called Elu Suttina Kote because it has 7 layers of walls around it. Make sure you wear some comfortable sneakers because there is a lot of walking over here. We did a lot of climbing and walking and we found a beautiful brook flowing on the mountain. We had to climb a little higher to see the Hidambeshwari temple situated on the topmost point of this fort. And then we had to get all the way down to see the Ubavana Kindi. The water flowing here was damn clean and super clear. This was all the way down to Ubavana Kindi. And look at that fella, he is trying to drink the juice from the juice carton. And the water over there gets collected by flowing through the rocks, so technically it is the filtered water. This place is known for the heroic nature of N.V.K. who smashed the soldiers of Hyder Ali by killing them with her N.V.K. who were trying to sneak into the fort. Okay, now this place is known as Akka Tangiyara Honda, which means the sister ponds. You can see the whole city from top of this place. Thank you guys for watching my video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below which one was your favorite part.